Pikachu.
Look out the window.
No, if you fly, you can't fly. Your wings popped. Isn't it? Eh? Looks like you had a stroke.
Dougal, you gotta be very gentle.
Bullshit.
I said you gotta be gentle.
Yeah, but he's an animal.
Hello? 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 Hello, old boy. Oh! We got some. I'm trying to get him to chirp. Shush for a minute. Hello, Pikachu. He's the oldest one we've got in there. Looks like he's going through a molt too on his head.
Yeah, they all are. Getting ready for winter.
Yeah. All right. Catch you later, baby.
Toodaloo.